It's a new 2018 Ford Explorer, aptly named, handsomely appointed. When people talk about the beautiful scenery, they'll be talking about this Explorer too. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, intelligent access key, leather steering wheel, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, app link, manual telescoping steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and power heated mirrors. Every generation has its Ford. This is yours. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.